Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're going to start in our chair, opening our legs a little bit, taking some deep breaths. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And now drop your head back, chin to ceiling. Left ear to left shoulder. And now chin to chest. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder again, this time placing your right hand on top of your head. Relax your arm, lowering your chin to your chest. And now left ear to left shoulder, left hand comes on top of the head. Let's interlace our fingers in front of us, pressing the palms out, straightening the arms. Lift your arms up as you drop your head back, arching your back. And now round your spine, pressing your palms forward, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, we reach up and back for that seated cow pose. And now seated cat pose, round your spine. One more time, seated cow pose. And seated cat pose. And this time we come into our forward fold. So just lower your upper body and your arms and just breathe here. Let's come back up, placing our left forearm on our left thigh as we extend our right arm up to the ceiling, taking some circles with that right wrist and hand. Switch sides. Relax your left arm and come back up. As you reach your arms up, coming into a seated mountain pose and forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly roll back up to seated. And then come into your side body stretch, lifting your left arm up and over. Switch sides. Relax that right arm, now bringing your right ankle on top of your left thigh for your figure 4. You can place your hand on your right knee as you look over your right shoulder. And if your legs don't quite look like my figure 4, that is absolutely fine. Just do what feels most comfortable for you. All right, come back to center into a slight forward fold. You're going to feel a little hip stretch in that right hip. And let's make our way to the other side. Right hand to left knee as you look over the left shoulder. Come back to center as you fold over your legs just a little bit. And you can lower that left foot back down. Let's end class by reaching our arms up and maybe back. Hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.